Question number 29. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Raymond's Run is a short story. It was written by African American author Toni Cade Bambara. It was first published in her book Gorilla My Love in 1972. It was told from a first person perspective. It takes place in Harlem. The student wants to indicate where the short story takes place. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? Is it A. Raymond's Run takes place in Harlem? B. Raymond's Run was published in Gorilla My Love? C. Raymond's Run is told from a first person perspective? Or D. Raymond's Run was written by Toni Cade Bambara? So here the student wants to indicate where the story takes place. So which do you think we should choose? So this is also quite easy. We just have to see that only answer choice A, it's talking about the place Harlem. So choice A is the best answer. The sentence indicates where Raymond's Run takes place, stating that it takes place in Harlem. B is incorrect. The sentence identifies the book in which the story Raymond's Run was published. It doesn't indicate where the story takes place. Choice C is incorrect. The sentence indicates the point of view used in Raymond's Run. It doesn't indicate where the story takes place. Choice D is incorrect. The sentence identifies the author of Raymond's Run. It doesn't indicate where the